Being a small YouTube creator can feel exhausting sometimes, right? But here's how I stay motivated. Gratitude. Each like, every new comment, is not just numbers. It's progress. And I make sure to write it down. Gratitude journaling has helped me appreciate the journey, not just the destination. Today, I challenge you to ask yourself, what's one thing about your YouTube journey you're grateful for? Grab your journal and write it down. Every step counts, and gratitude helps you keep going. Let's keep creating, keep journaling, and keep posting. Gratitude will fuel us all the way.